Hiking Serrania Ridge in Woodland Hills. Parking is 1.2 miles from the 101 freeway in Serrania Park. The hike goes out and back on the ridge. The turnaround point is near Mulholland Drive. The difficulty rating for the hike is easy. The hike begins. Start by walking on a paved park path, then the trail breaks off to the left and leaves the park. It then begins to head up the ridge. The ridge is a gradual and easy climb. This is a great beginner's hike, with a touch of elevation gain. The first of a few neighborhood viewpoints. Taking the spur trail to the Serrania Ridge High Point. Pausing on top of the Serrania Ridge High Point. The Summit 360. Elevation, 1,341 feet. The summit benchmark. Continuing south toward Mulholland Drive. Spotting Mulholland Drive ahead. Approaching Helen Benchmark. On the summit of Helen Benchmark. The Summit 360. Elevation, 1,428 feet. Helen Benchmark. Heading back the same way. Arriving back at the Serrania Ridge High Point. When the season is right, you can find yourself in a pathway lined with flowers. One more good neighborhood overlook. Descending to the park. Mission accomplished. Good for most any season, this hike provides instant exercise for anybody who wants to get outdoors.